Hey guys, it's Breckenstrong and Breckenstrong #Gallagher. Sorry about my voice change. I'm hacking and we're gonna show you the new improved edition fidget spinner edition. Yes.
Sorry about that. The new edition.
Well, I should say old.
Yeah, kind of old, kind of new.
Oh, ow! Yeah,
okay,
it's so
you have to do like this.
Oh, Sally.
Okay, we're gonna wait. Okay, this is basically like a trick because some people might think like it's a baseball, but it's not hooked up to a rope. So it's like a really good prank. So we'll try it and see if it works.
Yeah.
Okay, it works.
Okay, let me try.
Now I'm gonna let Brecken try.
Okay, put this on.
Okay. Now Brecken has it on.
That's okay. My name is but oh, dude, sounds like I'm trying to cuss, but I'm not.
What?
Shush your mouth. You do not. Oh, dude, that was so epic. I almost got it.
Wait,
Wait.
Brecken! Fucking don't.
I'm not gonna hit the camera.
Oh, wait, get back. Get back. Yeah, wait there. Okay, he's gonna try to make it close up to the camera.
Oh my gosh!
Did it get close? Sorry about that.
Yeah. Sorry, that's my That's my baby sister.
Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm gonna try once and again. Sorry. I had to get out of the way. Okay, put it on. We're making a video, Landon, on YouTube. Okay, so, okay, this is gonna get really close to the camera, so it's like gonna be a sneak peek. It's gonna be a sneak peek, so it didn't do anything. No, but hi, this is my brother, Landon. Twin brother.
Very much. Thank you.
Step out of the video if you're gonna tell you something. Okay, now we're gonna go on the trampoline,
And we're gonna
but
try.
it's like really. Now we'll try. We're gonna have more space on the trampoline, I bet. So, see what as you can see, we're on the trampoline.
Hey guys, we're going to be trying to bounce and hit. Guys, if you hit 500 thumbs up, I will dare him to do
Amy, what's up?
a triple backflip. A triple backflip.
That's impossible.
I'm going to dare them to do that, and I'm going to catch her on camera.
Hold up, move. Let me try. We hope you like this. Okay. Follow me on Instagram. You don't even have a phone. Shut your mouth. Okay, now we are
Bouncing.
bouncing. Yeah, mostly just bouncing.
Hold on. Well, guys, look at me do this. Like I'm gonna bounce and hit it on the ground, and like try to catch it with my bare hand.
Okay, let's get on the road. No, not yet. Stop.
Oh dang it! It did not bounce.
Let me see. Stop. Follow me. I forgot I didn't have an Instagram, so follow me on Musical.ly.
Okay, now back to Blecken. Hey, guys, you're gonna see me bounce and hit it on the ground.
Hold up, I'm gonna flip first. Hold up, I'm gonna flip first.
And now Blecken's gonna hold it so I can flip. If I can hold it so I can
Me and
flip.
Cole are gonna flip, so let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Glass fell.
Sorry, I can't land the flip.
Sorry, I can't land a flip, so
yeah.
thanks.
So,
Sorry about that.
spin flip.
Camera.
1, 2, 3.
Follow us on
Cole.
Instagram. Catch this, guys.
Follow us
Catch
on
this
YouTube. Let's
camera.
go.
Okay, you guys might want to move. This is really dangerous.
Oh!
How is that dangerous, you know?
Let me try. Let me try.
We are actually, it's about like to be like 9 o'clock. So,
Don't go.
I'm not gonna leave you. Guys, we're gonna catch this on camera. Okay, I'll get it on camera. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna do a flip. Okay, guys, be ready because I'm gonna do a flip. 1, 2, 3. Flip.
What's up?
Bam, what?
Okay.
Flip.
So, I'm gonna do this bounce. Hold up, get it. I'm doing this bouncy ball thing. So, I might get close. Come out here, let's go.
Oh,
Come out here.
dude, the camera's probably gonna jump. Probably gonna get this bad camera decision.
Sorry.
Oh!
Let's go inside.
I
So, I'm
jumped.
gonna do this awesome thing. Set the camera over.
No. After this, we're
So,
gonna go inside and
I'm
play.
gonna try to not hit the camera, but it's gonna be cool.
Dude, you're gonna break the camera glass.
Okay, ready?
Get back.
I'm gonna
No,
do
not
it.
right
Let's go.
here. Get back right there.
Okay, ready?
See, wasn't that cool? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go inside and play a game on the Wii U. Come on. No, we're not allowed to yet. Briggs will wreck my camera is right now.
So,
you just wrecked it. You?
Cool, let me take it.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma right now. And
Me and this bro, we're moving to Kansas City, so we're gonna see you guys again.
Go Nebraska. Guys, I hope
Okay,
you do
better.
500 thumbs up, and I'm gonna please do it before midnight tonight. No, dude, just kidding. We're gonna try to do it before July 14th.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Yeah, we are.
So let me see it.
Well, okay, now we're gonna go back on the trampoline.
Let me see it, Cole.
Here's the trampoline again. Okay. Here's my instructor, Landon. Hey, Leg. What's up? How you guys doing? Oh, and I'm gonna do a really cool thing. What the heck? Where I'm gonna do a flip holding the camera.
Let me hold the camera. Let me see.
I'm
No,
going
don't
to.
do that.
I'm going. Guys, this might be a bit laggy for you.
Don't do this with the camera. This is bad.
I don't care. 3, 2, 1.
Well, let me do it. So that wasn't very good. So I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Okay.
Dude, you must be
Ready? So no one do this, cause this is really wrong. We're doing stupid stuff here. So
What?
hold up. I gotta take my hat off. Okay. Ready?